Hi everyone, and a huge welcome to my brand new YouTube channel, Crafty Science Corner. And here it is, my creative space brought to life. Our motto is simple, from concept to creation. So what can you expect here at Crafty Science Corner? It's where we explore the incredible blend of science and creativity. We'll dive into creative science activities, transforming everyday items with DIY study table organizers, unleashing imagination with various DIY crafts, and tackling fascinating science projects that make learning fun and tangible. Our mission is to take science concepts and integrate them with hands-on crafts and DIY projects, benefiting everyone from children and students to parents and fresher teachers. We want to show you how enjoyable it is to understand the world around us through making and creating. So get ready to explore, create, and discover with me. And to truly kick things off, I want to show you the very first project created for this channel, my handmade DIY logo. And guess what? This entire process of how I created this unique handmade logo will be my very first video. You will learn step by step how to make your own awesome DIY logo using simple materials. I hope you loved this first look at Crafty Science Corner. This was just part 1 of our very first project, and the full step-by-step tutorial is ready for you right now. Just click the link on the screen or in the description below to head straight to part 2. And if you are excited to join our creative community, be sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon. Welcome to the community, and I'll see you in the next video.